Namaste. Best. Continue your warm up. Have you done all stretching? Good. Remember yesterday what we have done? Have you practiced it? Yeah. Okay. So today we will start with Tilana. You must have learned Tilana before in your BA studies, but now we will learn Tilana in a different way. We will learn Tilana, that is Parasa Tilana. It's Rag Parasa and Tal is Adi Tal. So the difference, as we will learn Tilana, I will explain you the difference between two Tilanas, what we have learned in BA and what you will learn in MA. Okay?
Who is the composer of Tilana?
Composer of this Tilana is Tanjore Quartet. So I'll just sing one line of Tilana and then we will start learning. It is Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadir Pani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadir Tani Tom Ta Dirana. Now we will start Tilana with Attami, that is neck movement. So it's just the eyes and neck will move with talam, that is Attami. So it starts with that. The first it goes in, first it will go in first speed, second speed, third speed. There also we will show all three speeds of Attami. So I will just explain you how it goes and then you do it. Attami you do with the gesture Tamrachuda and the another one will go in Dola Hasta. Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadirtani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadirtani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadirtani Tom Ta Dirana. So we have done.
Can I do one?
Yeah, definitely. I'll just explain it. We did first line. In one line we did first speed and second speed. In second line we did it in Tishram and then we did the third speed. Okay. So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadir Pani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadir Pani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadir Pani Tom Ta Dirana Nadir. So this is Attami is over. After Attami comes Mayadavu. You know what is Mayadavu?
Mai means body
Yes.
and the Adavu in which the mainly body movements are used. I think that is Adavu.
Yeah, that is Mayadavu. Correct. The adavus which are done more with the body movements, more with bendings. That is Mayadavu. But how it is composed, there is any pattern of Mayadavu? Have you learned it?
I have learned, but I think it's in 3 speeds.
Yeah, correct.
I don't know much about it.
Okay. It goes in 3 speeds. One step we do in 3 speeds and then at the end we end it with Tirmana. So that is Mayadavu. So the first Mayadavu we start with Alapadma. The bits will be did, ta. Okay, I'll show you hands and then you just do it. It is Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. Okay, it will go in 3 speeds. First we will do right and left, that is first speed. Then we will go to second speed. 1, 2, it's in metadal. So your all steps will be flat stamping. 1, 2, 3, start. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. No. You do right and immediately you will go to left side.
No return.
No return. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. Second speed, go back. Tannum Tanatha, come back. Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. We will start with Mayadavu. 1, 2, you have to follow your hand and go to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana. Left side. Tani Tum Tadirana. Tannum. Now for the second speed, you will go back diagonally and come back with return hands and follow your hands while coming back. Once, again from first speed we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. Back. Tannum Tanathadirana. Center. Correct. Tani Tum Tadirana. अभी हमें थर्ड स्पीड में जाना है. थर्ड स्पीड. ओके, सो इट शुड बी takkitta 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 and you turn back. This type. With 2 hands you will do it. By turning back, your hands will be chaturasram, katakam. Yes, method. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. These all 3 speeds we do. First speed you did right and left. Second speed you did, and this is third speed. Now the Tirmana. So it is takkadimmi takkadimmi takkadimmi.
Get from behind.
Yeah, get from behind. थर्ड स्पीड से करेंगे हम. तक्किट्टा 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 और तक्कधिमी में आपको पीछे घूमना है. After that, the same step you will do in the behind. Takadimi, you will again turn in front. There the third speed will finish. Do third speed and then again we will do first speed, second speed, third speed together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum Tadirana. Now all 3 speeds together. Do with third speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannum Tanathadirana Nadirtani Tum. Wait. Come in front. You have to do all 3 flat. It is takkitta takkitta. You are lifting little bit and you are not banging the second stick. Second beat also you have to bang. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you understood?
Yeah.
You could hear takita from your feet.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll move on to next part of it, that is Tirmana. So it will go takkadimmi takkadimmi, jump dimmi. It's an Aramandi. 1 feet will go behind Alaka. Takkadimmi, jump. Takkadimmi. The dimmi hand should come little bit down. Again. Takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. Okay. Now the Tirmanam comes. It is didittai, didittai, takkadhimmi, didittai, didittai, takkadhimmi, didittai, didittai. You understood? This everything should be in Aramandi.
Is it diagonal?
No, you have to face me only, front only, and only your neck movement and your feet will go diagonal. Okay? 1, 2.
Can I do from here?
No, first you do only diditai, diditai. Then again we will do from that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. हम पूरा मैयड़ों के ऑल 3 स्पीड्स फिर से एक बार करेंगे. उसमें अगर गलती है तो फिर से एक बार करेंगे. ओके? 1, 2. फर्स्ट स्पीड स्टार्ट. फिर से करो. ये हाथ थोड़ा नीचे जाना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. तन्नो तन्नत धीरन्ना नादिर. Take your hand down more. Dhirana nadir tannno tannat dhirana nadir pani tum tat dhirana nadir. Third speed. Third speed. Takkita takkita. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannno tannat dhirana nadir. फिर एक बार करेंगे एक साथ. 1, 2, 3 स्टार्ट. तन्नो तन्नत धीरन्ना नादिर पानी तोम तत् धीरन्ना नादिर तन्नो तन्नत धीरन्ना नादिर पानी तोम तत् धीरन्ना नादिर तन्नो तन्नत धीरन्ना. अभी इसके बाद एक पीस उसको हम ज्वाइन करेंगे एंड देन विल मूव ऑन टू तिरमाना. व्हाट इज तिरमाना?
The Adamu or the
Shoulder.
shoulder.
You can say shoulder.
Okay. The shoulder which is repeated 3 times. That is the
Okay. So in this we will repeat the shoulder diditai diditai 3 times, but in that in between we will give karvai. The karvai is gap. So the gap will be of takkadhimmi. So diditai diditai takkadhimmi, diditai diditai takkadhimmi, diditai diditai. This will be the tirmana. And for that takkadhimmi, after diditai diditai, you have to lift up your right leg. You have to turn to the right side and focus your look. Okay, this will be karvai. For this diditai also, diditai, your look will be come up, diditai, and then takkadhimmi will be karvai. You lift your leg. You have to bend, yes. You have to bend your left and lift up your right. Diditai, takkadhimmi, diditai, takka. Your right hand should be down little bit more. And before this tirmana, you have to add one piece. It is takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. Your leg and your neck movement should match. Okay?
round neck.
Yeah, round neck movement. It should be takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. And feet should be agratala and in swastika mandala. Yes, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. This dhimmi should be down little bit. Okay?
Can I do from third place?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 Aramandi. 4. Takkadhimmi, this right hand should be down now. और थोड़ा नीचे. Yes. Now do it again. Tirmanam. Only Tirmanam. 1, 2. Tanamta again you will lift your leg. Waha there is a pause after that. Huh? Now again we will do from first speed of your Mayadavu. First speed, second speed, third speed and carry on. अगर उसमें गलती है तो वापस करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4. तनतदिरन्ना नादिर पानी तोंतदिरन्ना नादिर तनतदिरन्ना नादिर पानी तोंतदिरन्ना नादिर तनतदिरन्ना नादिर थर्ड स्पीड कैसे करेंगे हम? थर्ड स्पीड में तुम्हें यू हैव टू कवर द स्पेस इन थर्ड स्पीड. दिस मई अडवू यू हैव टू गो लिटिल बिट मोर विथ takita. You have to bang. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, there you have to balance nicely because 4 bits you have to wait there. This is the end of your Mayadavu. Now after Tannom Tanatadira 4 bits matlab 1 takadhimi you will wait. Tannom Tanatadira 4 counts you will wait. After that you have to go back. So for that going back all takadhimi you have to do. Everything is flat footwork. So in Samapada you will do takadhimi takadhimi. Only your takadhimi mein ta will be yes in Aramandi you have to do. You have to bend sideways. After this takadhimi you will start takadhimi takadhimi. All 4 you will bang, but only first bit I should be able to hear. Okay, just do the legs first. Takadhimi 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 takadhimi. Okay, like that 7 takadhimi you will do. Right is 1, left is 2. Like that 7 takadhimi will come. Okay. You got the Mayadavu what I taught you just now? We did 3 speeds and then we did Tirmanam after that. So that is the traditional pattern of Mayadavu. But now we will do something different in that. First speed twice we will do. Second speed 4 times we will do. First speed we did just now only 2 times.
The same or
no, we will change little bit. So your first speed will be Tannom Tanatadira. After that you can turn and come back. Your turning will be just on your toe. First do only legs. Tannom Tanatadira. Turn on your toe and come back. No, not like that. See, after this, you can turn and you can come back like this, diagonally. So after this, just turn on your toe and be there. And then go to the left side. Again turn and come back. Okay? Do 1, 2, 3, 4. tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni. Again, start. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir. You have to finish it here. Okay? Now what you have learned before, only right and only left.
This was the first.
That will be the first speed, first step, and this will be the first speed, second step.
Okay.
Understood? Do again first speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanno tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira. Second speed. Tanno, second step, sorry. First speed, second step. Start.
Again first.
No, second step will do. Start. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. इसमें थोड़ा बैलेंस होना चाहिए. You should not move like that. Okay? Now second speed also, whatever you have learned before, that we will do behind. And then we will add one more step to it. Because that we have done twice. We have to do it now 4 times. So we will add it. Okay? Try. What you have learned before, that will you do first. 1, 2. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Now this you give sideways angle also. Tanong tanatadira-na. And you add tai diditai to it. You did tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir. Instead of leaving nadir, you will do tai diditai. And from tani, you will start the second step. 1, 2. Tanong tanatadira-na. Left side. Tani tum ta-dira-na. Now you have to change it a little bit. You go sideways. Tanong tanatadira-na. Tai tai diditai. Natadira-na. Nadir. If you do diditai, you have to do nadir. Tai tai diditai before that.
In Aramandi or
Aramandi only. And that diditai should be from behind. 1, 2. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni. Go to the left side, same step. Again right side. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir. Good. Now do first speed and second speed together. You remember or you want to revise again?
revise.
Revise. Which one?
Both.
1, 2. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir-tano. Same side and turn. Okay? This is first speed. 1.
This is the second.
Yes, second speed 2 times back and then sideways with diditai. 1, 2, 3. First speed. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir-tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir-tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir-tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir. Now third speed, which diditai which we did just now, we will carry on with that diditai only. Tanong tanatadira-na. Nadir-pa-ni tum ta-dira-na. Nadir. This I taught you before. Now we will add one more step to it. Huh? First you did tai tanum tanata dirana. This I taught you. Afterwards you have to do, it will be tanum tanata dirana. Third speed may yadu. Tanum tanata dirana. This I have taught you before. Huh? You will add the same step doing diagonal, right, left, turn. Yeah, 1, 2. Now turn dit tai more, yes, and then do the left side. Understood? Do again right and left both. 1, only second step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn again and come in front. Now you have to turn from right. Correct. 1, 2. Now do first step and second step together. Only third speed. First step and second step. 1, 2. Understood? Now add one more step to it, but that you will do right and left both the sides. Huh? It will be tanum tanata dirana tai diditai. It's diditai diditai from behind, and then leave one tai and tai diditai. Takitta tai diditai. One tai you will leave and you will go on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the left side again. Right side say. This tai diditai should be from side hand. Okay? Do again right and left both. 1, 2. Now you will add this Gurmat pattern to it. It will be takadhimi takadim. All the takadhimis with right leg only. You will go behind doing this. You will do 7 takadhimi. And in the end, tai diditai. 1, 2, 3. Aramandi. Right hand behind, left hand up. 1 takadhimi you will follow your right hand. 1 takadhimi with katakamukha you will follow your left hand. Okay? 1, 2. You have to end it with tai diditai with same hand. Tannum tanata dira means sthanaka, lifting your leg. Tannum tanata dira. Understood? Then 2 attami and we will go back. This will be the end of our Mayadavu. Okay? I want you to do the full Mayadavu again. Yeah. You guys on your own. third speed, sideways. Now, then did type. Tanno, tanna, tadirana. And then go back. Clear? We'll do the full Mayadavu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tai. It's only diditai. 1. Nattadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno. Now, you have to go sideways.
Second speed.
Yes. Pura second speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, 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 tanno, tanna, tadirana. Again do the third step of third speed. 1, 2. Tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum. Again you have to keep on your attam. Tai, tai, didi, tai. Again you did tai, didi, tai. So we will do that again. Takka dhimmi se. It ends with tai, tai, didi, tai. 1, 2. Tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. Nadir, tanno, tanna, tadirana. Nadir, ni tum, tadirana. This is end of our first Mayadavu.